purpose of this video is to record a voiceover on Pro Tools. So I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so I'm going to open up a Pro Tools session and I'm going to name it per our class convention. MM01 for the section, dot your initials, dot lab 1. And I'm going to make sure I'm set to broadcast wave and 48 kilohertz and 24 bits. And I'm going to have Pro Tools prompt me for the location because I want everything to go onto my external drive. So I will create. And I'm making sure it is going on my external drive into a specific folder. And then I'm going to make this session. Great. And then I'm going to create a track for my voiceover. And that's a mono track because there's only one. And I am going to set it to input 1 of my interface. And typically we would leave this main out, but for Zoom to hear playback, we will set this to 3 and 4. Okay. And then I will name this track per the class convention. So it's the initials of the person reading the voiceover, MM in my case, VO. And then I'm going to create a master fader. The quick keys are Shift, Command, N on a Mac. And the master fader is always stereo. And we're going to create one, and we're going to create a master fader and say OK. Per the class convention, it will be your initials and something like main out. All right. Then I'm going to arm the track, and you can see the input here. And then I'm going to record it. So I'm going to do 3 reads total of my commercial, and hopefully I won't screw it up in the same place. Come see why Dolby Digital 5.1 is the multi-channel surround sound format for HD TV. From post-production to set-top box, Dolby Digital technology delivers exceptional sound quality. Committed to ensuring the highest quality sound arrives in your customer's living room. Dolby offers commissioning services for post-production and broadcast facilities. Visit us at NAB for a full demonstration on how to surround your audience in the best possible HD experience. Dolby Digital. Surround yourself. Well, it was an okay read. I screwed up a couple of times, but that's okay because I'm going to record it 2 more times. Now, I could continue recording it on this track, but this is a slicker way. We can use playlists. And this will keep you from using up multiple voices, and this is great when especially you have like a really large session. So I'm going to create a new. Okay, so that gives me a fresh track. And I'm going to try again. Come see why Dolby Digital 5.1 is the multi-channel surround sound format for HD TV. From post-production to set-top box, Dolby Digital technology delivers exceptional surround sound. Committed to ensuring the highest quality sound arrives in your customer's living room, Dolby Digital offers commissioning services for post-production and broadcast facilities. Visit us at NAB for a full demonstration on how to surround your audience in the best possible HD experience. Dolby Digital. Surround yourself. Okay, it's getting a little better, but I got one more try. So I'm going to click here and create a new playlist track. And I'm going to try one last time. Come see why Dolby Digital 5.1 is the multi-channel surround sound format for HD TV. From post-production to set-top box, Dolby Digital technology delivers exceptional surround sound quality. Committed to ensuring the highest quality sound arrives in your customer's living room, Dolby offers commissioning services for post-production and broadcast facilities. Visit us at NAB for a full demonstration on how to surround your audience in the best possible HD TV experience. Dolby Digital. Surround yourself. Okay, so I have 3 different reeds, and I'm going to unarm this track. And I can view them in this manner by clicking the arrow. And here's the first version, here's the second version, here's the third version. And this is handy in playlist mode. So if we change from waveform to playlist, we see all of the tracks that I've recorded. And then if I make another track, I'm going to label this comp, I can take pieces from each of these recordings and make a complete track or a comp track. And I will show you that next week. All right, so now that you've finished Lab 1, let's save this and let's quit Pro Tools. Okay, and then we'll go and find our folder. Okay, so here's the lab I recorded today. That's it. Just making sure. I'm going to check it. I want to make sure that my Pro Tools PTX file is there. And then I also want to check in my audio files to make sure my 3 different reads are there, and they are. And then I'm going to compact them or compress them. And this zip file is what you will upload onto Canvas as your homework assignment. All right, I'm looking forward to talking about editing in playlists next week.